So yes, there is a significant upfront cost of installing the solar battery system and the heat pump, but there are savings of $1,500 to $2,000 a year every year through the process. And also at the end, your home is expected to be worth more as well. Savings for years to come. There is some disruption in installing the heat pump in particular, but we tend to use the existing radiators and existing pipework, and we always make sure your heating is on at the end of every day. But the install only takes 2 to 3 days, so we've got to fit the heat pump outside, connect that to the existing heating system, connect it to a hot water cylinder, and then you've got access to zero home energy bills when combined with the solar battery system. So we guarantee zero home energy bills for at least 5 years. Our expectation is beyond that period, if the equipment is still operational, we'll be able to continue to offer a zero bill. And even if we didn't, you'll still have that equipment generating energy and massively reducing your bills.